So, let's, yeah. So, tell us a little bit about yourself and your, before meeting Infinite Wealth, what your financial future looked like.
Well, my financial future, before I met Infinite Wealth, I worked a lot, but I wasn't getting anywhere in life.
Yep.
I was pretty much stagnant. A lot of working and not moving forward. So, as the old phrase says, okay, a lot of wheel spin and not getting anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty much it. How my life was before I met Infinite Wealth.
Perfect. Okay. And what changed when you met Tim and the Infinite Wealth team?
A friend of mine did one of the seminars,
Yep.
and then I went to the seminar, got knowledge and information. Then I booked in the one-day course, and that went there and just saw a different light on how I can set up my life and how my life can better by working with Infinite Wealth.
Yep.
And the team here.
Yep.
And yeah, it's all going very, very well.
Perfect. All right. What has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
Just the knowledge on what I can truly have in life.
Yep.
Okay, I have sight on when I can retire.
Yep.
Okay, I have sight on what's happening month by month and what I can bring into my life for my wife and for my kids as well.
Yep. Perfect. Well, yeah. How does your financial future look now?
Yeah.
Very rosy.
Yeah.
Very rosy. Looks a lot better.
All right. There's Rose.
You just
Too
walked
cold.
in. Just walked in.
Did you just say?
You better stop there.